Are you looking for info about Salt Lake City roof repair? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about the cost for roof repair in Salt Lake City, making sure you're well informed before making any decisions. Let's dive into the top 3 mistakes homeowners make when addressing roof issues. First up, many people choose the cheapest option without checking credentials. This can lead to long-term problems and higher costs. To avoid this, always research your contractors. Look for reviews and testimonials. It can save you a lot of headaches and money. Roof repair in Salt Lake City is unique due to our variable weather conditions. This impacts the materials we use and the methods we choose for repairs. Did you know that a significant percentage of homeowners underestimate the cost of roof repairs? Staying informed can help prevent unexpected expenses later. Let's start with the big question. How much should I budget for roof repair in Salt Lake City? Prices can vary widely based on material and extent of the damage. Another common question is, how do I choose a roofing contractor? Always get multiple quotes and check references. And finally, many ask, how long will my roof last? With proper maintenance, many roofs last over 20 years. Regular inspections are key. Call us now at 385-300-1135. We are ready to offer solutions for your roofing needs. Visit allprosroofingsaltlakecity.com for more.